Just finished the Chelmsford half marathon, guys. There's a little medal. Feel a little bit sick. I did it. Lovely rainy day here in Chelmsford, major city in Essex. I want to do a quick message to everyone that's on the LinkedIn channels and on the YouTube channels for True Fitness, and for me as well. I never hear anyone talking about this. All I ever hear is major kind of fitness influencers. I won't name names because I'm not really into that, but major people that you would know that are on GMTV, ITV, making millions and millions of pounds out of giving people advice, who you look at as the kind of most important authoritative person within the fitness industry. And all I ever hear him talking about again and again is get into running. It's free, it's easy, you just need trainers, that's all you need. Let me tell you now, I've just run 13.1 miles and it's bloody hard, and I train regularly. I've been training since I was probably 16, 17 and played sport all of my life, and it's challenging. It's really, really difficult. My knees hurt, my calves hurt, I feel sick, every part of my body's aching. If you're a 50 plus CEO and you've got 2, 3, 4, even 5 stone to lose, do not, I repeat, do not go running. It's the most ridiculous piece of advice you'll ever hear. And here's the reason why. Your joints aren't ready for it, your lungs aren't ready for it, your heart's not ready for it, your brain's not ready for it, your lungs aren't ready for it, your muscles aren't ready for it, nothing is ready for it. You know what's probably going to happen if you do a couch to 5k or go straight into 10k, or like some crazy people I saw today, they've got 4 stone to lose doing a half marathon. You're going to hurt yourself, and all that's going to happen is you're going to pull your back, you're going to pull your knee, you're going to tear something. I hear this all the time. Clients that just start on their journey, we say to them, whatever you do not go running, your body is not ready. And they go running, they play football with their nephew or whatever, and guess what, they hurt themselves. The smartest way to do this, the quickest, best, safest, most effective way to get yourself in shape if you're a 50 plus CEO and you're just starting your journey, sort your food out, improve your sleep, start to hydrate more, and get your body moving in the gym with some light weights, and just get your body moving. Start working on some mobility, start opening those joints up, start adding some weight onto your shoulders, into your back, sorry. Squats, deadlifts, lunges, but work yourself out with proper form, and hire someone. If you're on 100, 200, 300, 400,000 pound a year as a CEO, and you can't put 30, 40, 50, 60 quid a week or whatever it is through personal training, or to get a qualified coach, I think you're crazy. Honestly, the amount of people I see that hurt themselves because they rush into running without building that base and hurt themselves really badly, I see it all the time. Have a great weekend, guys, and see you on Monday for some more content. Cheers, guys.